Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned vegetables. First, select the freshest, highest quality vegetables available, as this significantly impacts the final product. Thoroughly wash and prepare your chosen vegetables, following specific recipe instructions for cutting and blanching. Next, gather all your essential canning equipment, including jars, lids, bands, and a pressure canner or water bath canner. Always ensure everything is meticulously clean and sterilized to prevent spoilage and ensure safety. Now, let's talk about packing your jars. Carefully pack your prepared vegetables into clean, hot canning jars, leaving the recommended headspace, which is typically 1 inch for most vegetables. Next, prepare your brine solution, usually a simple mixture of salt and water, and pour it over the vegetables, ensuring they are fully submerged. Before sealing, gently remove any trapped air bubbles by tapping the jars or using a non-metallic utensil, which helps prevent spoilage. Choosing the correct processing method is crucial for safety. For low-acid vegetables such as green beans, corn, and carrots, a pressure canner is absolutely essential to reach temperatures high enough to destroy harmful bacteria. Water bath canning is generally not recommended for most vegetables due to their low acidity. Always follow precise processing times and pressures specified in tested recipes, and remember to adjust these for your altitude to ensure proper sterilization and safe consumption. After processing, carefully remove the hot jars from the canner and place them on a towel to cool undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. Do not tighten bands further during this time. Once cooled, check for proper seal. The lid should be concave and not flex when pressed. Remove the bands, label your jars with the contents and date, and store them in a cool, dark, dry place. Properly canned vegetables can be safely stored for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.